you all are fine at home and doing great. Children, in previous video, ma'am taught you subtraction with borrowing. Now, in today's class, I will teach you arrange the numbers in columns and subtract. Student, let's take an example. The sum is 238 from 456. Here, from means minus. In the sum, first we will write this number, then this number. And this is the number of 3 digits. So, we will write ones, tens, 100. We will always start the sum from the right side. So, first we solve ones place, tens place, then 100 place. 6 minus 8. 6 is smaller than 8. So, 8 will not be subtracted from 6. So, children, what will we do? We will borrow 110 from tens columns. So, 6 will become 16 and 5 will become 4. Now 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Next 4 minus 3. 4 is bigger than 3. So no need to take borrow. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. And 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So the answer we get 218. Now next example is 5736 from 8264. So this is the number of 4 digits. So we have to write ones, tens, 100, 1000. First we will start from the ones place, tens place, 100 place, then 1000 place. 4 minus 6. 4 is smaller than 6. So 6 will not be subtracted from 4. So what will we do? We will borrow 110 from tens column. So 4 will become 14 and 6 will become 5. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Now next is 5 minus 3. 5 is bigger than 3. So no need to take borrow. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Next is 2 minus 7. 2 is smaller than 7. So 7 will not be subtracted from 2. So what will we do? We will borrow 1000 from 1000 column. So 2 will become 12 and 8 will become 7. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. And 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So the answer we get 2528. Now next example is the sum is 4275 from 9864. So first we will write ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now we will solve from ones, tens, 100, 1000. 4 minus 5. 4 is smaller than 5. So 5 will not be subtracted from 4. So what will we do? We will borrow 110 from tens column. So 4 will become 14 and 6 will become 5. So 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. Next is 5. 5 minus 7. 5 is smaller than 7. So what will we do? We will borrow 100 from 100 column. So 5 will become 15 and 8 will become 7. 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Next, 7 minus 2. 7 is bigger than 2. So children, no need to take borrow. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Next is 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So the answer we get 5589. Okay children, I hope you all are understood today's topic. In next video, I will teach you story sums of subtraction. So do practice, arrange the numbers in columns and subtract. Thank you.